use your own techniques. These are the tricks everyone knows, but no one likes to share. Namaste guys. So today we will be learning counting from 1 to 20 and then 20 to 50 and then from 50 to 100. But here today I'm going to share with you some small tricks because my objective is not to make you dependent on someone. My objective is to make you independent. Alright, think and use your own mind because in your exam no one will going to help you. So let's just start. So one is one is alright. I have told you earlier, UN will go give you a sound of alright. The. Number 2 is the. Alright. Just like this one. Some people call it D, some people call it the. So it in French language, number 2 is the. Alright. 3 is trois. People will call it trois or something like this. See, you have to use the correct pronunciation always. It is trois. 4 is quatre. Actually, if you observe carefully, we'll come to the pronunciation, don't worry. Quarter. In English, we use the term quarter. Hey, this is the origin of that word. Alright. Quatre. Alright. Sang. Alright. Sang. Six. Number 6 is cease. It gives a sound of cease. Alright. Set. Set. Speak with me. 7 is set. Number 8 is with. With. Alright. Number 9 is nuff. Number 9 is nuff. Alright. Number 10 is these. It's not dicks, it's these. Alright. Same logic goes here. So one thing you might have observed, whenever there is this IX, it gives you a sound of cis, is. Alright, it gives you a sound of is, these, cis. Alright. 11 is onze. Onze. Alright. 12 is douze. See, douze. Alright. So ZE gives you a sound of z, z. Alright. Douze. So number 13 is treize. Alright. Number 14 is quatorze. Quatorze. So this one has an origin in reality from number 4. Alright. These two are very similar. Quatre. Quatorze. Alright. Now number 15 is quinze. Because if you have seen my other videos, then I always say it gives you a sound of an. Now there is a difference between and an. Alright. Quinze. Says. It's not says, it's says. Says. Now there is one thing in number 17. It's a combination of 7 and 10. So let me just change the color. So it is a combination of number 7 and number 10. So it will become dix-sept. Always. Now you have to keep in mind this little hyphen between the two words. Alright. This one. Keep this one in mind. Otherwise, your teacher can deduct your marks, especially in your even level. And do take care of this thing in your TCF or TEF exams too. Alright. These with. These with. Alright. So again 10 plus 8. These with. This. These with. Alright. Now 19 is these nuff. These nuff. Nuff. 10 plus 9. So it will become these nuff. Alright. 20 is van. Alright. It is not vant. Whenever T is in the end, never pronounce it until unless there is an extra E. Alright. Never pronounce it. Alright. So let me just remove it just like this. Alright. Van. Alright. Keep this in mind, guys. Always keep this in mind. Thank you. Now let me just make the another thing. Now from 20 to 60. I'm going to tell you some tricks and you have to follow those tricks. All right. Now, 20 is 20. All right. Now, 21 will become 21. All right. Now, what you have to do is 20 plus 2. It will become 22. All right. Same logic will go for 22, 23. Suppose if there is 23, then it will go with 20. And what is 3 in French language? 3. All right. So it will become 22 की तरह ये बन जाएगा आपका 23. All right. 29. 29. All right. 29. Here you have to pronounce a small t. 22. Here no t. All right. Here you have to pronounce t. 29. All right. Or 29. That is also correct. I've heard 29 also. All right. 30 will become 30. En will give you a sound of on. And as I told you earlier, te will give you an extra sound of t. All right. 30. All right. So it will become 31. And just a second. This en and this en. Never forget this one. I have lost marks when I was learning French language. All right. So 31. So what will you can use this? You can apply the same logic. Just a second. Yeah. So you can apply this same logic in your 31 counting. All right. 32, 33, 34. ठीक है. 30 plus 1, 30 plus 2, 30 plus 3. 30 plus 4. All right. 33, 34, 35, 36. All right. It's very simple. So now 40. What it is? 40. All right. It is not 40 because I have seen people doing this mistake. I used to deduct their marks during their Delph A1 exams. So do not do this mistake. All right, guys. 40. You have to pronounce extra te. Same logic goes with 41. All right. Same logic will go with your 50, 51. All right. Same logic will go for with your 60 and 61. But now there is a difference after the word 60. Now, but before that, let's learn the pronunciation. Let me change the color. Yeah. 40, 41. Here you properly have to pronounce a. All right. 41. 50. 50. So it will become 50 et 1. Got it? 52. Just like 51. Just a second. 50 plus 1 is equal to 51. 50 plus 2 is equal to 52. So it will become 52. All right. 60. Same logic goes with 60. You just have to replace 50 with 60. All right. 60 et 1. Same logic go here. All right. See, guys, I know it looks a bit dirty, but let me tell you, I do not want you to become dependent on any teacher in this world. All right. Use your own techniques. These are the tricks everyone knows, but no one likes to share. All right. Though everyone knows. All right. So let's move forward further. Yeah. Now let's see. Swazon these. Now see if there is these, so 71 will become 11. All right. 71. All right. 71. Just a second. It will become 71. All right. 71. 71. Keep this in mind. 80. 80. All right. Always remember 80. Okay. Now it will become 81. since there is 20, so you have to follow 40. Just a second. So what you have to follow here is 80. You have to add 4 and then 21, 22, 23, 24. 81, 82, 83, 80, 4, 85, 80. ठीक है? और 80 these. Now, so now let's come to 90. 90 will become, see, if there is 80 these, so in this one what you have to do is these, instead of these, what you have to do this time, you have to use the table of the line of 11. These 11. All right, 91, 91. So it will become 80. If the number is 12, 92. Very good. All right, DOUZE, 92. Always keep this in mind. Now, if the word is 13. Sorry, if the word is 93, then it will become 93, 13. All right, 93. So this is how you can use it. All right, now this is song. What it is? Song. It is not sent. It is, just a second, it is song. All right, it is song. Always remember this. Now there is 1000. 1000 is meal. All right, meal. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you. Thanks a lot.